So in this quick video, I want to talk about a couple of things regarding the self-clean on oven ranges. This particular one's a GE, but again, it'll apply with any oven range. First is the a fire that may occur in the oven as you're self-cleaning. And the second thing would be a very foul odor from the oven. So if a fire starts, it's probably because you didn't clean it well enough before you start the self clean. So yes, you do have to clean it yourself to make sure that there's no food residue or any crumbs or anything like that, because that could potentially catch on fire in the oven. So you want to remove everything and try and get like a Scotch-Brite and then like dishwasher soap and wash any as much debris off the sides as you can. And of course, definitely don't have any utensils or any pots or pans in there as you self clean. And then preferably if you could take out these racks as well to where you just have the oven, that's preferable. And then start your self clean that way. If you do see a fire, immediately try to cancel the self clean. On this particular oven, you would just do cancel and then see if you can cancel that way. If for some reason you can't, or if the power stays on, quickly go to your circuit breaker in your home and shut the power off to your kitchen to where it doesn't have any more power, whatever. And then third option would be to use a fire extinguisher and then knock it out that way. But it is kind of common for little small fires to start, and as long as they quickly go out and whatever, you want to make sure it cools down and then try again. So that would be the first thing. Second thing is the foul odor. That's normal. So foul odor, like a really strong, smoky, even ammonia type of smell, is basically your oven doing the work and cleaning, and it literally will cover up your your whole home. I would say like go do chores or go somewhere else because the odor is really bad. But then again, you kind of want to keep an eye on your oven the whole time. For the 3 or 4 hours it takes to self clean. So if you can go to a different part of your home, or still keep an eye on your oven while it's cleaning, because there will be a very foul odor, and there's not really much you can do about that because it's doing its job. It's doing what it does to clean. Now keep in mind, like I said, it'll take about 2 to 3 hours to do a full self clean, and then it'll take 2 hours for it to cool down. The locking mechanism, keep in mind, on most ranges you're not going to be able to unlock it until it fully cools down, and it could take like an hour or two to cool down, and this will not unlock until it completely cools down. If it doesn't for whatever reason, try the circuit breaker, or you might have to start up another cleaning to see if it will reset it. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section.